Solve the problem using a system of equations. A local electronics store will sell 7 AC adapters and 2 rechargeable flashlights for $86, or 3 AC adapters and 4 rechargeable flashlights for $84. What is the price of a single AC adapter and a single rechargeable flashlight? We've read the problem carefully. Now for step 2, define your variables. Let X represent the price of an AC adapter, Y the price of a rechargeable flashlight. Now we're given that 7 AC adapters and 2 rechargeable flashlights sells for $86. Thus we get this first equation, 7x plus 2 times y is equal to 86. Let's call that equation 1. To solve for 2 unknowns, we need 2 equations. We're given a second scenario that 3 AC adapters and 4 rechargeable flashlights will sell for $84. Thus we can write a second equation. Let's identify that as equation 2. Now let's solve this system. I'm going to choose to use the elimination method and eliminate our variable y. So let's fix equation number 1 by multiplying it by -2. So equation number 1 becomes a negative 14x minus 4y is equal to a negative 172. And I got that from taking -2 times equation 1. Let's just rewrite equation 2 below this. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 84. Now let's add the 2 equations together. Negative 14x plus 3x is negative 11x. Our y variable cancels. On the right-hand side, we get a value of negative 88. Dividing both sides by negative 11 gives x is equal to 8. Remember that x represented the price of an AC adapter, and that's going to be an amount in dollars. Let's solve for y also, and I'm going to do that using equation 1, which is 7x plus 2y is equal to 86. Let's substitute our value for x. So 7 times 8 plus 2y is equal to 86. That's a 56 plus 2y is 86. Subtracting 56 from both sides gives 2y is equal to 30, or y is equal to 15. So we've solved for our unknowns. We've completed step 4. In step 5, we want to state our answer very clearly. So X represented the price of an AC adapter. That's a price in dollars. Y represents the price, the selling price of a rechargeable flashlight. And that's a $15. Now as a last step, let's check these values by substituting 8 and 15 into our original equations. In equation 1 is 7 times x, or is 7 times 8, plus 2 times y, let's substitute 15 in place of y, indeed equal to 86. In other words, is 56 plus 30 equal to 86? It sure is. That's a true statement. The solution satisfies equation 1. Let's check equation 2. Is 3 times x, or 3 times 8, plus 4 times y, that's 4 times 15, equal to 84. In other words, is 24 plus 60 equal to 84? Yes, it sure is. So our solution checks in both equations. We can feel comfortable then that we have the correct answer and that the selling price of an AC adapter is $8. The selling price of a rechargeable flashlight is $15.